Mainsim is the ultimate solution for advanced maintenance management, turning every operational challenge into an efficiency opportunity. This innovative web and mobile platform offers unprecedented control over assets, devices, and infrastructure, regardless of the sector, whether it's facility management, industry, or any other operational environment. Mainsim elevates your maintenance team's work to new levels of excellence, reducing inefficiencies, downtime, and enhancing communication and productivity. From the immediate post-login dashboard access, Mainsim intuitively organizes maintenance activities into easily navigable themes through a vertical menu positioned on the left side of the screen. This allows for quick access to the necessary information for the flawless management of maintenance operations, with a homepage that provides an essential overview of crucial information organized in instant and eye-catching reports. The heart of daily operations is found in the Work Activities section, where you can manage and monitor every aspect of maintenance tickets, from category to priority to the current status of operations, including corrective maintenance and scheduled activities. Maintenance object management becomes child's play with Mainsim, from the detailed mapping of the organization by site, area, or plant, to monitoring maintenance and replacement costs, warranty coverage, and fault analysis. The platform also allows you to enrich each asset with documents, external files, comments, and operational instructions, simplifying every aspect of the maintenance process. The organization of work activities, including the scheduling of recurring interventions and the management of related assets, is made efficient by a dedicated functionality, ensuring continuous optimization of maintenance processes. Mainsim also introduces an innovative centralized system for service request management, named Wizard. This self-service portal streamlines the generation of work requests by users, ensuring the reception of clear and unequivocal instructions, definitively eliminating the chaos of confused emails, repeated calls, and sticky notes. Start revolutionizing maintenance management with Mainsim today, the tool that will lead you and your team towards new horizons of efficiency and productivity. This was just a quick overview of how Mainsim works. In the next videos, we are going to explore further details on the modules and functionalities that Mainsim has to offer to facility management and maintenance and reliability teams in any sector.